Hi, I'm Jared from Unimira, and let's talk about digital voice assistants in the customer service field. So for example, nowadays, about 1 in 4 Americans have access to a smart speaker. So the question is really when and how you can use this possible new channel, not should you. What we did recently for one customer is we took their existing knowledge base and their existing chatbot, and we put an Alexa face on that. So a lot of companies, they think, ooh, I may be interested in Alexa, but it could be, is it a big project? Is it an expensive project? Don't have a lot of extra developer resources. The great part about this was using their existing chatbot, we developed an Alexa skill that connected with that and essentially used the chatbot to deliver in voice form the service that was required. So the great part about this for the company was all of their information was already in the knowledge base. So whenever something was changed, was updated, was removed, because Alexa used this as a source, there was actually no change needed to the Alexa skill. This means no developer resources required, no separate maintenance, and not having to release it again via Amazon and have that approved. So it tends to be much easier than companies think if you have the right existing infrastructure. Now, what are the benefits? It's a 24/7 channel. You can potentially use it as a partial IVR and hand off to agents if required. It's more natural. So instead of having to pick up their phone, type in their password, go to their computer, customers can just open their mouth, talk to Alexa, and get the information they need. If you're interested in using chatbots and maybe even Alexa for customer service, give us a call, visit our website, or shoot us an email.